What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be changing out a toilet, so stick around.
Sure, turn the water off.
And you want to cut the... This ring, it's a wax seal, okay? We might reuse this because we might put a wax right on top. We'll see. Okay, so the one that it came with wasn't very thick enough. It wasn't thick enough for what we had going on. So we got this corky ring. Okay, it's wax free. And what's cool about this one is it's doubled up. So if you have a high flange, you can use both. Okay. And this thing is antimicrobial. There you go. Oops. Get rid of them. We're going to stack both rings on here. Pull it down. Just tighten it down. So the top of this bolt and this plastic piece go on the inside of the tank. This washer and this nut go on the bottom of the tank. And then this bottom washer and the wing nut go on the very bottom of the actual toilet.